The timing suggests that these concepts were deliberately introduced into human culture to familiarize us with galactic law before formal contact occurs. Hidden within science fiction stories that humans created themselves, the rules governing galactic civilization have been carefully planted to prepare us for eventual contact. The concept of a prime directive prohibiting interference with developing civilizations didn't originate from human imagination alone. This idea appeared simultaneously in multiple science fiction works during the exact period when humans became detectable to galactic observers. The timing suggests that these concepts were deliberately introduced into human culture to familiarize us with galactic law before formal contact occurs. Think about how wildlife researchers introduce captive animals to new environments gradually, using familiar objects and gradual exposure to reduce psychological trauma. Advanced civilizations would use similar techniques to prepare humans for galactic contact by slowly introducing key concepts through entertainment media that doesn't trigger defensive reactions or cultural upheaval. Star Trek's Prime Directive specifically prohibits Starfleet from interfering with the natural development of civilizations that haven't achieved warp drive technology. This threshold perfectly matches the developmental stage where primitive species become capable of detecting and interacting with galactic civilization. The concept appeared in human entertainment exactly when we were approaching this critical technological milestone. The Prime Directive includes specific protocols for handling accidental contact with primitive species, describing procedures for memory modification, historical record alteration, and cultural damage control. These detailed guidelines suggest intimate knowledge of actual galactic contact protocols, rather than simple human speculation about theoretical scenarios. When formal galactic contact eventually occurs, humans will already be familiar with the basic principles governing interstellar civilization. We'll understand why contact was delayed, how monitoring systems operate, and what behavioral standards we'll need to meet for continued galactic participation. The Prime Directive concept has become deeply embedded in human culture, appearing in movies, television shows, books, and games worldwide. This cultural saturation ensures that most humans understand non-interference principles before experiencing actual contact with galactic civilization. The preparation reduces the likelihood of panic, misunderstanding, or inappropriate responses during first contact scenarios.